Going to discuss difference of functions. Okay, just like what we did last time about sum of functions, we will be using the same formula. The only difference is that instead of adding them, we're going to subtract them. So to get the difference of a function, we have f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x, where f and g can be any two functions whose domains are all set of real numbers common to the domain of f and g. So let's take a look at this example. So if f of x is equal to x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 6, let us find the difference of f minus g of x and b f minus g of x when x is 3, and c f minus g of x when x is negative 3. So let us find what is f minus g of x first. So let's write f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Substituting the value of f of x, which is x minus 1, minus the value of g of x, which is x squared plus 5x minus 6. Simplifying this, we get x minus 1. See, when we are subtracting, we need to multiply this to the whole of this equation, and of course, so in subtraction, the sign changes. Okay, so negative times a positive, so that will become negative x squared, negative positive, that will be negative 5x, negative negative, that will be positive 6. Okay, now we are ready to combine like terms. So like terms, what are the like terms here? It's x and 5x, negative 1 and positive 6. Okay, so but before that, we need to write the ones that has no like terms, and that is negative x squared. So negative x squared, positive x, and a negative 5x. So we're going to subtract. We'll get negative 4x, negative 1, and a positive 6. So that will become positive 5. So the equation for f minus g of x is negative x squared minus 4x plus 5. So since we know what is f of g of x, now we can solve f of g of x when x is equal to 3. Okay, so f of g of x when x is 3, so we will be using this equation, negative x squared minus 4x plus 5. Now let us substitute what's the value of x, and that is 3, so negative, and 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. 3 squared is 9, but since there's a negative sign here, let's write it there. So minus 4 times 3, that will be 12 plus 5. So simplifying this, negative 9, 12 plus 5, that will be negative 16. Okay, so the value of f less g of x when x is 3 is equal to negative 16. Okay, next, let's do letter C. C is f of g of x when x is negative 3. Again, we will be using this equation, negative x squared less 4x plus 5. Okay, substituting the value of x is negative 3, so negative times negative 3 squared minus 4 times negative 3 plus 5. So that will be negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, but there's a negative sign here. And negative 4 times negative 3, that will be positive 12 plus 5. So here negative 9, positive 3, 12. That will be 3 plus 5 is 8. So the value of f or minus g of x when x is negative 3 is equal to 8. So that's how we get the difference of functions. Okay? So I hope you learned something today. Until my next video.